In state news, the Minneapolis police supervisory sergeant who was on duty the night George Floyd died has testified that he believes the officers who restrained Floyd could have ended it after he stopped resisting. David Ploger testified Thursday at the trial of since-fired officer Derek Chauvin, who is now charged with murder and manslaughter in Floyd's death. Pressed by a prosecutor as to when Floyd was no longer resisting, Ploger said it was once Floyd was handcuffed and on the ground. Earlier Thursday, Floyd's girlfriend testified about how they met and how they both struggled with opioid use. The first days of testimony at the trial of a former Minneapolis police officer charged in George Floyd's death have been dominated by the witnesses to his arrest and countless videos that forced them to relive the trauma of it all over again. Several witnesses broke down and sobbed during their testimony. Attorneys on both sides of the trial of former officer Derek Chauvin face a delicate balance in questioning witnesses who have experienced such pain while trying to advance their cases. Prosecutors pause frequently when witnesses are overcome, inviting them to take as much time as they need. Chauvin's attorney has often skipped examining witnesses, including a 9-year-old girl. Prosecutors are trying a former Minneapolis police officer in George Floyd's death put Floyd's girlfriend on the witness stand in an effort to humanize him for the jury. But the testimony of Courtney Ross also gave the defense an opportunity to delve into Floyd's addiction. Prosecutors are using a legal doctrine called Spark of Life to call Ross, as well as Floyd's brother, to the witness stand. The doctrine is controversial among defense attorneys and could complicate the trial. Legal experts say it allows prosecutors to tug at jurors' emotions, but also allows the defense to highlight Floyd's illegal drug use.